ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with a screaming parrot in the background. Hold on a minute. Watch out. There we go. Shut the door on the loud mouth. We're going to continue with the box that I got from Miss Lori Reeves. She's chomping at the bit. She wants me to find my birthday gift, which the ones that I thought were my gift the other night are not. So she wants me to find it. Find it. There's a little box here. Oop, there's another little box here. Ha ha, happy birthday. This is the happy birthday one. Let's start with that. Oh, look, it's got a little hat on it. It's adorable. Oh, that's pretty. Banded agate. Carnelian. How do you know that's one of my favorites? Because I'm an Aries. That's why, right? That's definitely an Aries stone. I like how you did the stickers. They're cute. Thank you, my sweetie. I love you. Oh, this is cute too. This one has a little tiny folded up stick together. You know it, baby. Let's see what it says. Thank you for being a good friend. Ecto, love you. Yes, yes, yes. I love you. I love you. I love... Ooh. Ooh. I don't have any brooches. Damascene ones. That's so pretty. It's got a dragon on it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I have a bunch of pendants and stuff, but I don't have a brooch. But I do now. I do now. Well, this is cute too. Look. It's a stretchy wing with a bug on it. It's got a bug on it. Okay, let's get rid of this boring thing here. And put this adorable thing on here. This is another reason why I like the French tip, because I don't have to match it. I can just wear whatever with it. Thank you so much, honey. You're too good to me. Oh, we had a thunderstorm brewing out there. That'll be fun. Okay, now none of y'all are getting any of those. But the rest of what I pulled from the box, don't be shy. You can still ask for it. Most of it is going to be for sale. Because I told dear Lori that I'm upset with my regular guy because he's kind of, I don't know, he's kind of... If I don't come immediately when he says he has stuff, then I lose out. Even though I could pay him immediately, he doesn't have PayPal or anything, so I lose out because I don't drive. So I have to wait for there to be a ride available, and it usually only takes a day or two. But my guy he's too impatient. He knows that I can pay him, and I would gladly pay him immediately, but he just... I don't know. He's an old coot that doesn't do online payments at all. Oh, this is 3. Oh, cool. All right. Let's see. Do they stack? Do they stack? Are they stacky? Yeah, buddy. Look at these. They're all wood. And they stack. And they're beautiful. Oh, I love that. That begs for like a white, crisp white shirt and some jeans. Or like a khaki skirt or something. Which I was looking online the other day for, or actually I think it was this morning, for, oh hey, I remember this one. On the stretchy. It's carnelian and wood on a stretchy one of these. That's cute too. And then there's multicolored wood. I have this mark here and I don't know what it's from. It's like a little scab. I think I got poked with something. Here is a pink leather, patent leather bracelet. Brand spanking new, it looks like. Very cool. I can't thank you enough for saving my butt, Miss Lori. Here's an apartment 9. It's never been off the card. Stretchy, stretchy. Hammered, hammered. Cute. There's more leather. Leather. Oh, why do I keep pushing it off the edge of the camera? It's weird. Like this camera is different. Like the field of view is different, so it's kind of weird. Here's a really cool clampy clamper. It's got some patterning and some black. Very nice. Bangle bangle. Ooh, here's something you don't see a lot of. It's a bolo tie. Black and silver tone. On braided lace. Not lace like, you know, frilly lace. Like almost like shoelace braided, but I don't think so. Braided cotton of some sort. That's neat. Man, I used to wear those in the 80s. Oh my gosh, I had a whole wardrobe of them. Oh wow, here we go. We're gonna get earrings here in a second. We're gonna get the earrings. Ooh, this is pretty. Very nice. Single strand, really heavy. These are glass. Glass pearls. They're beautiful. I love glass pearls. They're just so, they drape so nicely. And they have such nice weight to them. Yeah, they're definitely glass because they're not, you know, gritty. They're real smooth. So nice. Oh, love it. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. This is, oh no, oh no, oh no. Dropping stuff. Alright. See if I can reach under there without hurting myself. Yeah, bending over sometimes is tough because fat gut. Oh my gosh, look at. Okay, let's see. There's a couple of these in here. I'm gonna look at them first. Stretchy. Where's the other stretchy? Was there more than one? No, there was just one. Just this one, which is really awesome because I have a round one just like this. With the very sparkly. Ooh, get out of here. That looks a lot like this. So let's put it there. Very cool. Alright, and next we have a little vintage faux turquoise brooch. Very nice. And then we have, I don't remember what this green stone is called. I don't think it's aventurine. It might be. Very nice. Oh, thanks for all the bags. I needed more bags. I was running out. Even though I recycle some of them, or most of them, they get lost sometimes. What is this one? That's beautiful. It's a lighter blue than that, but it's really pretty. What's it say? It says something on it. I can't read it. I do like it though. It's really pretty. There's another one of those. Pretty little blue ring. It's lighter than what it's showing up as. Come on. It's weird. This is showing up perfectly the right color. This is lighter than this. This is more of a sky blue. And it's the same with this. More of a sky blue. So there's something wrong with my blue shift. Something wrong with my blue shift. Ooh, that's cool. Little gold tone bracelet. There we go. Very sweet little bracelet. Don't know. No, it's got no name on it. My hair keeps getting in my face. We're supposed to have thunderstorms. I don't know what's going on. I wish they would show up finally. Oh, these are nice. These are really nice. Red coral, onyx, and turquoise, I think. Not aventurine. This one looks like amazonite. And then, ooh, these are cute. I love these because they're light as a feather. These are cool. This looks like more amazonite. Or even, can't tell. And then we have these little squares. Those are adorable. So Hubs was just telling me that there was a tornado that touched down in Maryland right near us. But we haven't gotten any storm at all. And they were saying it was going to be hail and all kind of stuff. But there's nothing. There you go. Now you can see these little square guys. Those are adorable and they're very lightweight. So they will go in with my things. my things. Okay, these are going in my things, okay? And these 3 are up for grabs. Okay. Don't be shy. She's already told me that I could sell whatever I wanted to sell out of here. And I already have taken, so far I've taken what I wanted out of there. There's a bunch more left in there though. We have a Sarah Coventry little mesh link bracelet. That's really cute. That's the kind that looks good if you stack it with a bunch of stuff. Bunches of stuff. Whoop. What's that? Binoculars. Oh, look. I know who that's for. That's for my honey. Oh, he's going to love that. If I don't steal it from him. Hee hee, binoculars. Binoculars. Ooh, this is nice. I can tell it's a nice one. I like this kind of chain. This disc chain. I think it's so cool. And it's just a big, long one. With no... Oh, feels so nice. Sorry, I stopped talking because it feels so good. Yeah. It doesn't have a clasp on it. Really cool. And you can definitely wear it doubled. Even though it does have no, what you call it? Clasp. Here's 2 pairs of earrings. Laser cut posties. Those are cute. And then these guys. These feel really nice. Hoop-de-doo. Sweet. I don't know why I'm so tired today. I feel like I'm out of breath or something. Oh, look. Is that an E? Or is that a C? Or is that a... That's a C. It's a C. Oh, I hear distantly rumbly. This one's got an RQ. So I'm gonna say that's Avon, I'm pretty sure. Usually those 3-letter codes are for Avon manufacturers. I'm sorry I sound so tired. I am. I don't know why. Ooh, here's some pretty copper earrings. Little hoopies. Hoopies. Hoop-de-doo. Gosh, we're at 18. Lord. So we're not going to get too much further with this. Let's see, can we get this out of here? This one is an L. An L for Lori. Oh, sounds like the Blue Jays are going bananas out there. Don't know why. Banana. Okay, let's just do this one. This last one little bracelet. Stretchy. And it has Delft blue porcelain beads. And blue pearls. They're faux, but they feel like glass pearls. And it says Holland, and it has a little windmill. I should actually give that to Rory's mama, because her man is Dutch. So that might go in the Leanne box. Yay! Well, we're at 20, but I can't seem to stop. Can't seem to do it. We have this little stretchy guy in rose gold with a very sparkly. Ooh, I like that a lot. That kind of goes with my nails. Sparklies. And then we have this that goes with it that is silver tone. Oh wait, that's one. Silver tone and rose gold. And then we have this little guy that is rose gold with, ooh, with little rhinestoney bits. And then we have this little one that's rose gold chain with little silver tone bits. So that is awesome. Ooh, I love these two together. Look. They look really pretty together. Oh, so nice. And then these two are really nice together. Like this. Very nice. I might have to put these all in separate bags so they don't get tangled. Oh, this is an Aldo one. This one. I should have known. It's very pretty. I'm going to put that one together with this bracelet because they match. And then we're going to say, oh, please don't snap on me. There we go. There. We're going to say good night. I want to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there, and if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp of the item in which you were interested in the comments below. Or you could send that to my email, which is in my description. But if you send it to my email, please include your name, or please include the title of the video and the date that it was posted. And if you haven't bought from me before, include your name, your address, your PayPal email, and your YouTube name so that I can match up your names, get your invoice out to you, and get your items in the mail to you. Please remember that I love each and every one of you, and be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.